Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Alright, quick auto park tutorial. This is going to be parallel parking. So you just shift to reverse and then you hit start. Yeah, so definitely didn't touch the rim or anything like that. Let's see it. Fully complete the maneuver here. No curb. Just perfect parking. A little swipe using the vision system. Using that artificial intelligence, making sure it is perfectly aligned. Even accounts for the pedestrians in the way. Not bad. All right, thanks for watching.